How to open Santander UK bank account. To open Santander UK bank account, simply launch the Santander application. Once you've done that, simply tap on New Customer Open an Account button from the bottom of the screen. Just wait until the next page has loaded up. Accept the cookies, then select Current Accounts. Then here we will select Apply for a current account. Just fill out this form over here. Then tap on the Continue button. Enter your first name and your last name along with the email address that you might want to use. Then tap on Continue. Then we'll simply go ahead and then we have to open our mailbox. So I'll go ahead and open my mail. Then you can see I have received an email from Santander. So I can tap on Confirm Email option, which will just redirect me right back to the application. Once on the app again, we have to follow up with a couple of other details. For example, we can tap on Continue and you can see different type of current accounts that we want. So I'll just select one of these accounts over here, then I'll tap on Apply button. You might make sure to go to all of these together. So you have to enter your details and contact details, identity check, employment status, and tap on Continue. Enter your title, enter your first name, middle name, or last name if applicable, then tap on the Continue button. Have you been known by other name? No. Tap on the next option. Gender, your date of birth as well. So enter the date along with the month, along with the year format. Once you've done that, tap on the Continue button. Simply select your nationality over here and select your country of birth in this case as well. So let me just go ahead and then enter my country of birth over here. And once I've done that, I will be able to go ahead and then tap on the Continue button over here to fill up other details and open my Santander UK bank account. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.